Good morning, students. Exercise 10.2, first question. So it is given that cylinder's height h is equal to 1.4 meters and radius r is equal to 56 centimeters. Given in centimeters, change into meters, that is 0.56 meters. Then we have to find TSA, total surface area, is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, implies TSA is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.56 into 0.56 plus 1.4. That implies TSA is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.08 into 1.96 after cutting. So TSA is equal to 44 into 0.08 into 1.96. That implies TSA is equal to 6.8992, implies R is equal to 6.9 meters square. Metal sheet used or metal sheet required is equal to 0.9 meters square. Second question, it is given cylinder's height is given, that is 8 centimeters, and volume is also given. Volume of cylinder is equal to 308 centimeter cube. We have to find LSA and TSA. So volume V is equal to 308 centimeters cube, and we know the formula pi r square h is equal to 308 centimeter square, implies 22 by 7 into r square into 8 is equal to 308, and r square is equal to 308 into 7 by 22 into 8. So r square is equal to 28 into 7 by 16. After dividing, r square is equal to 196 by 16, and if we divide, we get 12.25, and then r is equal to under root 12.25. that implies r is equal to 3.5 centimeters radius. Then LSA is equal to 2 pi r h is equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 into height h 8, implies LS is equal to 176. After cutting and multiplying, we get 176 centimeters. Then TS is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 plus 8 is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 11.5, that is equal to 253 centimeters square. That is the TSA of cylinder. Next question, students, that is third question. Given cubites metal, length is given 22 centimeters and breadth is given 15 centimeters and height is also given, that is 7.5 centimeters. Then we have to find cylinder's height. The cubites dimensions are given, then cylinder's height is given 14 centimeters, then volume of cubite is equal to, then we have to find radius of the cylinder. So in such cases, volume of cubite is equal to volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cubite? LBH, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h, implies 22 by 22 into 15 into 7.5 is equal to 22 by 7 into L square, r square into 14, implies r square is equal to 22 into 15 into 7.5 into 7 by 14 into 22. R square is equal to 7.5 into 7.5, implies r is equal to 7.5 centimeter. That is the radius. Next, fourth question. Given cylindrical water tanks diameter 5.6 meters, then from that r is equal to 5.6 by 2 is equal to 2.8 meters. Then height h is equal to how much? Also given volume V is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to 616, implies 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8 into h is equal to 616. Then height h is equal to 616 into 7 by 22 into 2.8 into 2.8. That implies h is equal to 25. After dividing and multiplying, we get 25. Fifth question. Pipe, it is in the form of cylinder. Height is given 77 centimeters. Inner diameter d is equal to 4 centimeters and radius is equal to 4 by 2 centimeters. That is equal to 2 centimeters. Inner radius or inner CS is equal to 2 pi r h, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 27. 77 is equal to 88 into 11, implies CSA is equal to 968 centimeter square. Outer diameter d is equal to 4.4 centimeters. Then r radius is equal to 4.2 by 2 is equal to r is equal to 2.2 centimeters. H is equal to 77 centimeters. Outer CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. outer CS is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 into 77 is equal to 96.8 into 11 is equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. Next, TSA of pipe is equal inner CSA plus outer CSA, that is equal to inner CS is 968 plus outer is 1064.8 is equal to 2032.8 centimeter square. Sixth question, given cylindrical pillar's diameter D is equal to 56 centimeters, then radius R is equal to 56 by 2, that is equal to 28 centimeters. Change into meters, that is equal to 0.28 meters. Height is 35 meters. CSA is equal to 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.28 into 35, that is equal to 44 into 0.04 into 35 is equal to 61.6 meters square. Cost of painting for 16 pillars at the rate of rupees 5.5 per meter square, that is equal to 16 into 61.6 into 5.5 is equal to 985.6 into 5.5, that is equal to rupees 5420.8. Seventh question, given rollers, it is in the shape of cylinder, diameter is 84 centimeters and radius is equal to 84 by 2, that is equal to 42 centimeters. Change into meters, 0.42 meters. Length of the roller, or it is considered as height, h is equal to 120 centimeters. Change into meters, that is 1.2 meters. Area of playground for is equal to 500 revolutions into CSA of roller. Area of playground is equal to 500 into CSA is 2 pi RH, that is equal to 500 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.42 into 1.2 is equal to 158 meter square. Next, ninth question. So on cylindrical tank's inner diameter D is equal to 4.2 meters, R is equal to 4.2 by 2 is equal to 2.1 meters and H is equal to 4.5 meters. Then TSA is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5. TSA is equal to 44 into 0.3 into 6.6 is equal to 87.12 meter square. Next, second one, let total steel used is equal to X meter square. So in that 1 by 12th of steel was wastage. So to get that one, we get X minus X by 12. So from total minus wasted is equal to 87.12, implies 12x minus x is equal to 87.12 into 12 is equal to x is equal to 87.12 into 12 by 11 is equal to 95.04 meter square. Next, 8th question, students. Circular well, inner diameter D is equal to 3.5 meters, R is equal to 3.5 by 2, that is 1.75 meters and H is equal to 10 meters. Inner CS is equal to how much? Inner CS is equal to 2 pi RH, that is equal to 2 into 20 by 7 into 2 into 20 by 7 into 1.75 into 10 is equal to 44 into 2.5, that is equal to 110 meters square. Cost of plastering at the rate of 40 per meter square, that is equal to 110 into 40 is equal to 4,400 for 400 rupees. 10th question, cylindrical drums, R is equal to 28 centimeters, H is equal to 2.1 meters, that is equal to 210 centimeters. Volume is equal to pi R square H. V is equal to 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 210, that is equal to 22 into 28 into 4 into 210 is equal to 517440. Volume is equal to 517440 by 1000 is equal to 517.4 liters. So it is given that cubic centimeters. 11th question, given cylindrical CSA is equal to 2 pi RH, that is equal to 1760 centimeters square. Its volume is also given, pi r square H is equal to 12320 centimeters cube. Height is equal to how much? Volume by CSA is equal to pi r square H by 2 pi RH is equal to 12320 by 1760. Implies on division, on cutting we get R by 2 is equal to 7, implies R is equal to 14 centimeters. Substitute R into pi RH is equal to 1760. 2 into 20 by 7 into h is equal to 1760 implies h is equal to 1760 into h by 2 into 22 into 14 is equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore, height of cylinder is equal to 20 centimeters.